Hey guys, Glen Murray. How are you? Today we are talking about CashSmash. This is a pretty cool program, and what I want to do is, and then go through, just give you a review of my basic thoughts on it, and then what we'll do is we'll go through. I'll show you the back office, and I'll show you how to get discount, and we'll go through the OTOs. I'm not going to play a demo video of it because it's really basically a training, and we can just talk about the trainings. And then if you want to pick this up, which I do recommend, I think this is if you're not making any money online and you've tried a bunch of techniques, and maybe you've even tried some of these techniques, I think it's a great idea to watch someone else's trainings on it. It's a great way because you might have like 95% of the puzzle, and they might just give you that other 5%, and you go, aha, that's why it works, and that's why how I was doing it wasn't working. And then, of course, there's going to be a bunch of bonuses if you pick it up through my link, and we can go through the bonus page. But first, what is CashSmash? CashSmash is basically let's look at the sales page. That'll help us. And then here we'll go on here. Oh, before that, hit the subscribe button, please. That really helps with my YouTube channel, and make sure you like the video, and that helps as well. So let's just take a look at the sales page here, and let's get my recording stuff out of the way. All right, so pandemic proof cash on demand system that banks us hundreds per day the same day. Just copy what we do. Now, the techniques in here are not new, guys, and you can learn these from different ways, but having it all in sort of one training, I find really good. So that's one of the things I do recommend. So just copy what we do. It's methods that simply work. No experience or skills needed. Up to date 2021 methods. Unlimited market. Easy to follow training. Get results the same day. And then they go down and they actually show some proof of what they've earned. Most of this is earned, of course, by referring affiliate offers. I mean, that's that in a nutshell. That's really what it is. These are just all these techniques are just ways to get traffic, and and put that traffic in front of affiliate links. There are, of course, some methods that actually you do a little bit of work and you get paid really well for it. So 122.50 in 11 minutes. 100 people thought you could make money online. Some testimonials here, which are always good. Ka-ching, ka-ching. You can ensure the security of you and your family. So it's a lot of sales copy that's just telling you the benefits of getting CashSmash, which is again, this is a training program. Now, one of the things, if you do decide to pick it up, when you go to the sales page, let's see if it does it right here. I'm not sure if I'm on the preview or the actual sales page. If you scroll off, usually, once you hit the button to go to buy it. So if you go to click to access here, and then if you scroll off, I think I'm on the sample page, guys. Anyways, you know what to do. Move your mouse off the page, and then usually a discount button pops up. Same with the OTOs. If you say no, thank you, it pops up a discount version of that. Now let's jump into the back office. I've got that open up, and you can take a look at what the system looks like on the back end. Okay, so here is the training, and there you go, the 7 methods. Now on the OTO, they give you another 7 methods on one of the OTOs. So method 1, domain flipping, not ripping. I just did a video on this. There's a really cool program. I'll put in the review for that actually gives you all the tools for domain flipping. Excuse me. What is domain flipping? It's actually just going and finding an expired domain that has domain authority, and then basically you purchase it for inexpensive. You can either flip it right away, or you can build a site around it, or you can point it to another site, or you can use the links kind of there, and then people in that industry will buy those domains. So it's a very, very lucrative business. A lot of people make a lot of money on it. I've only sold 1 domain, but I made really good money on it because it was a very seasoned domain. Number 2 is launch jacking. Kind of what we're doing in this video, guys. You do reviews on videos, You put your link, your subscriber link, and you get basically you put the video out right when the product is brand new. That's sort of a launch jacking. It's a great method. Go through the training. Of course, working on Fiverr is always a good one. Number 4 is, come on, open up. Number 4 doesn't want to open up. Number 5, product creation. That's a great one. There's lots of great tools on how to make products, and you can make very simple products. You can make audio products. You can make video products. Just do a training. Go learn something, and then you just basically train on it, and you can sell a couple bucks for it. You make a bunch of these, you start getting really good. Online surveys is another great way to make money. And doing sort of like the launch jacking, doing review videos or doing review blogs, right? So you basically go become an affiliate, start every time. There's launches every single day, guys. So you basically go to a website called, this is the one I use. It's called Muncheye. Oops, that's not it. Is this it? No, that's not it either. I don't know what happened to it, guys. Anyways, you want to go to, it's called Muncheye, Munch, and that gives you, it just has a big list of all the launches, and you guys go there, you click on the one you want to promote. It's taking you to an affiliate page, and then they give you information on the product, and you can go make a review and make a bonus page, and then sell it from there. So that's it, guys. What I like and I don't like about this program. One thing is that if you're not really good at focusing, it's going to give you 7 different techniques, and you're going to be bouncing around. Pick one and do it until you start making money. Like, that's the whole thing. This is the biggest thing that happens. People keep jumping from thing to thing. They try it and they give it like 3 goes, and they don't make any money. They're, oh, that method doesn't work, so they go over this method. So here's a little tip. Look at my views. I don't get a lot of views on my review videos. But guess what, guys? They make sales. You know why? You have to be consistent at it. And I'm not even that consistent. But if you do reviews for 30 days, guys, you will start making money. It just happens. You've got enough momentum. You're creating enough content, right? That it will start to happen. You'll get better and better. You'll be able to write better keywords, better describers, better descriptions about what you're promoting, and it will just get picked up in Google. So do I recommend this? Absolutely. I think it's a great product to go grab. Let's just go through the OTOs, and where are they here? So the first one is you get the 7 methods. The second one is called the Cash Explosion. You get another 7 methods, and basically they say you supercharge your earnings. Now that is for, the first one is for, I think 17 with the discount. I think it's $13, or it starts at $13. Anyways, you'll figure that out. Upgrade 1, if you say no thanks, you'll get it for a discount. Of course, I make less money as an affiliate, but you get the other 7 methods. And like I said, this is a great way for doing. Sorry, my daughter just walked in. I'll be right up. This is a great way for doing. Hold on one second. Sorry, my daughter just walked in. So these are great methods to have all in one place. Some training. Upsell upgrade number 2 is the full Fiverr Rocket. So it's a full-fledged course on how to make money on Fiverr. Number 3 is the what is it? So it's the upgrade for is an actual consultation. So you get a training, like one-on-one training with step-by-step using Fiverr to dominate. And the 4th upgrade is the reseller rights. So then you can make 100% commissions on this product if you choose to review it. So you'd go make a review of this, make a review blog, and sell it, and you would make 100% commission. And if you go to town on that, you would definitely could make your money back on what you spend on that buying product. So do I give it? Yeah, I give it a thumbs up. They're great affiliate marketers. The training looks good, and again, it's just, it's more information. And I always say, like, when you've learned something and someone else is teaching it, go learn it from that person, because there's, like I said, there might be that nugget that you're just missing, and it wasn't explained correctly in the first way, and then it kind of gives you the aha, and you realize why that method or how that method actually makes money. All right, guys. So if you want to pick it up, make sure you pick it up down below. This has been the CashSmash review and walkthrough. And guys, If you want to know how I make most of my money online, check out the two links below it. It's basically a high ticket program where you can basically learn how to market and different from these methods. It's actually how to market, how to become a marketer up here. And then my six-figure blueprint is there as well, and that's totally free. You can grab that, and it just walks you through the programs that I think are the most lucrative, how to set up your system, and then how to basically find the most lucrative businesses. All right, guys. Again, this has been CashSmash walkthrough tutorial bonuses, OTOs, and discount. There you go. Cheers.